I'm going to show you how to use the control panel. So the first button on the control panel is the power button. You're going to have to turn this on if you want to do anything else. The next one up is labelled B1, so this is the cab battery level. Press it once, it will show the voltage level. Press it again to show the percentage. You shouldn't have to worry about this because the battery will charge when the engine's running. The second button is B2, so this is the habitation leisure battery level. Again, press it once to show the voltage, a second time for the percentage. If you are wild camping, you're going to have to keep an eye on this battery level as it may drop, and this is charged through plugging it into an electric hookup. The third button on this side is your water. So S1, the blue, is the freshwater tank. Press it again for R1, which is the wastewater tank, and the percentage level will show you how full it is. Coming onto this side, we've got a thermometer, so this will show the temperature in the van. And then we've got a light symbol, so this is for all the interior lights of the van. Once you turn this on, you can then use your switches and you can use your TV. Then going up again, we've got the awning light, and then finally we've got the water pump. So you need to press the water pump to use your taps and your shower, and would recommend turning that off at night as it makes a bit of a noise. You may find that some of the control panels look different, however the symbols will mean the same thing.